Okay, children, today we'll study quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Class masanga say to quadratic equation 2, an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 tikhani a is 0 to 2 lower 0 to what quadratic equation ka ani thelo ni. Okay, le a formula chu heti hin ya x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, then plus or minus atia chu by patniom tinani heti jo hina ja thebok tani x equal to minus b plus so gat mang ta hinan la so root over b square minus 4ac by 2a ti tahian x equal to minus b climb minus agalata minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a tikhan he formula hi alo chho dan kan zir photanga chumi nuwa he formula mangin problems claim azogan chonga in share tur chu he equation formula he quadratic formula hi Indian mathematician mu choni tikha lo share tur ne is in written in your textbook. It's called as the Sri Derivation rule at the bogani. If you look at page number 89, you will find a solution. I mean the derivation of this formula. Le chuchu kantila chindon ne. Ase to khal quadratic equation chu tiang hin ya. Sorry. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let me transpose c on the right hand side. Ax square plus bx equals minus c. Now I'll divide both sides by a. X square plus bx by a equal to minus c by a. Dividing both sides by a. Okay, now I'll insert some mathematical trick here. X square plus b by ax plus b by 2a whole squared equal to b by 2a whole squared minus c by a. Tuna got hilti chu b by 2a whole squared le lam le lama ka bel ni he lama ka bela left hand side right hand side apo ka bel thau khatyang thilin angan bel kha chot equality hela equal to ka ati dang lam lo ka Euler's formula pol ko ga soi to ka equation re le lam le lama thil in angan multiply to na value dang lam lo thilin angan bel cho na value dang lam lo thil na kan subtract chon dang lam lo kha karon apply ne mase ba b by 2a whole square khere lo ultimate here. You will see the next two lines. Ta hian he formula gat mang don ni. Let's look it carefully. X square dilete la plus 2x b by 2a. Hanen chile he na reng thoni x le x I mean 2 le 2 kan se langa bx le a bx by a tho khala choga ni ek ma dang lam la b by 2a all squared equal to b by 2a all squared minus c by a. Hain la that potila chuan he gan je chon a square plus 2ab plus b square chuan he x plus b by kan factorize one b by 2a whole squared loitani. Now right hand side the bracket trade down b square by 4a squared draw boilo minus c by a LCM lang x plus b by 2a whole squared equal to 4a square LCM ni hala b square minus a in a square to a for 4ac. Now x plus b by 2a equals to square root lak turania ma sel se dokhan square root plus or minus that langai b square minus 4ac by 4a squared. Kan se dokhan plus 10 jena square root la don ra kan plus or minus ka mantel je langai to ni plus or minus bahan en chian chuan annual mi square root lak thei ni root over b square minus 4ac net nuela ma hin nge chuak 4 to 2 nia a square to a. Now let's put b by 2a b by 2a hi hela ka da pheyang x remote ka left hand side da toila plus ne minus a changa minus b by 2a plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Finally LCM la leila x equal to 2a mo LCM chu minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. Okay, class 10 I am in class 12 I hi about class 11 ala poi mo don of he formula a derivation ni tuna chuna derivation ni kat mang don lawa a chodan de top hi ane kat man tur kha hemi mang hian he formula mang hian problem strength hat kan chok chin don ni. Now let's look exercise 5.2 question number 1. Number 1. What's the problem? X square plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. A, B, C khaji padang A 2. Okay, right? Given A is 1, x square mami khan ni me B choose x mami 4, C 2 constant ka minus 5. Formula state that formula khan jiak ngalang x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a gives us minus b. Oh, sorry, the number that over. Just erase again. Minus b to 4 and yeah, plus or minus root over b4 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 5 by 2, 1 gives us minus 4 plus or minus 4 square 16, 4 5s are 20, minus into minus plus 20 by 2. So what do we have? X equal to minus 4, 36 more. X equal to minus 4 plus or minus 36 to 6 by 2. Le, yan ang ta x masusukan soktong x2 plus akan lapot ang minus 4 plus 6 by 2. And here to 2 minus 4 plus 6 to 2, throw 2 by 2, 1. Again, x2 minus 4 plus or minus a minus kakan labetung tuang minus 6 by 2 equal to minus 10 equal to minus 5. Okay, these two are the solution. 1 le minus 5 ka roots sunitani. Okay, now we'll continue with the nature of roots. Quadratic equation rahi alo cho thei vek lo kan zir to china kan number fia chin na cho thei lo hi anei thin ni helai equation vel formula vel ka data b square minus 4ac hi discriminant anh ấy drum khá chú mình cần lũ mà in cho thế là cái sấy phốt cái ở chú mà in cái sấy đó cái sấy thế lốc 2 square hi 4 ani minus 2 square hi 4 thôi à tôi rồi sấy đây là square ta cái minus thuộc thế nhỉ rồi thì một thiểm rồi 1 square hi 1 ani minus 1 square hi 1 thôi nhỉ 5 square hi 25 minus 5 square po 25 thôi khá square ra hết negative chuộc thế mi lâu nè khá thì chúng si khá problem sa ron ta nè mà lại mathematician thì lâu buổi tổ chơi na chú quadratic equation ron chua hian he thi li athlenti về nga la example phaga tilang longa now they have this problem x square plus 1 equal to 0 the admission he all melview ni ma se alo all vak mi ron en chiang x square chu transpose में लट्राम खचों ब minus 1 निया क्या ना बोईता नहीं ऐसे तो खान 1 square का 1 निया minus 1 square पो का 1 थो नहीं ताहिर x square आ minus 1 छुक तक तमें square आ खान minus छुक थे लो जिगर सोई जोची आ ताची खान मान लाई mathematician हो खान लो बोई द ट्रेन नहीं square आ minus 1 छुक तक में इंगे नियंगन दिया okay head number hi ti head trill fiata ni tun nuwa concept tharon chuak ta chuan undefined dan tharon lo nei ta hetiang number hi this type of number atian la x equal to square root of minus 1 tihan da be ta pa ma se tak taka real number ni lo ai to this type of number is called imaginary numbers okay class 11 a detail de in la dona till point more trunk kale to can especially in the field of electronics and computing imaginary number te lo hian electric circuit hi a chhu dik thelo ni sil traga tuna ero cho kan la zero phalawa tuna jon real number ba kan la zero lo le enge imaginary number ka ti chu ka ti chuan square root no negative om shrim ka imaginary number chu ni or le ling jogin number hi square a khan negative a chuan ka number a kha x kha imaginary number chu ni me ni now tuna ka zir chin tura chuan equation lom kha a root cha hian a real don lo dia kan zero don ni le chumi tan chuan square root no mi hela hi poimo te me ni ai dia ngai to ta la condition ka pathom ama sabera chuan oh hey b square minus 4ac hi capital D nan represent in discriminant ni bang khan ma se kha kan mang ri lo nga to that we'll just use the whole expression b square minus 4ac hian 0 alien ta se 0 alien ti om je chu a positive ti da ni mai number line a kha 0 alien kha positive kan tia 0 ai te kha negative kan tia chuan hetiang ani chuan if b square minus 4 hi 0 o island a positive frame chuan a chu thei ti na nia then we say that the roots are he copy to nota the roots are real and unique tiom je chu roots ka soi to khan pahni zela nei dong ti to kha equation re chuan quadratic a chuan a unique ani chuan a root te khain ang lo antinan a root ka 3 le 4 5 le 9 5 le minus 2 3 le tiang chi kha a unique lo chuan a root khain ang don 2 le 2 3 le 3 ti pom the ni adang ai om thele if b square minus 4ac equal to 0 hela in le deng b square minus 4ac 0 thuk chuan hela hi om don lo tin ania engelo cholon x equal to minus b by 2a ni me don ta ni kha cho khom don khatia kha a root chu real tho ni the roots are real and equal kan tiang pakhat châu chua do na chu wain pakhat châu kha om thelo pahni chu kan danga ma se in ang ve ve in he 0 in chuan om je chu x equal to minus b by 2a ni mai helam hi ba ji angai to lo 0 chua wangin so answer chu x he le he hi ni ai in ang ve ve khatiang kha roots are real equal a pathum na he hi ni tu na kan soi per jo if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means negative kan soi tong khan hela hi negative vai chuan henge o chot x equal to minus b plus or minus root over negative a chua do chot eng po har tanom cha se a negative do real real number in to lo ni root no negative o ma thiang lo kan di kha then we say that there are no real roots khatiang kha a cho thelo ti jok tiang class 10 level a jon a cho thelo ni b square minus 4ac khan 0 I claim trim negative a chua trim chuan a cho thelo or there are no real roots kan ti he hi chu exercise ma sa 5.8 cho ho re khatiang vek hin don ni 2 le 3 hi tu na kan mu thar tu chu in ta ni now let's look na example 13 kan chok chinanga from page 93 find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation if the real roots exist find them atia number 1 kan chok chinanga 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 so tak tu rai lo aru chakan jong don b square minus 4ac kan jong don ne a discriminant na ka sorry roll root ni lo b square minus 4ac equal to ngai lo thleng b2 minus 3 nia square minus 4a is 2 c is 5 minus 3 square tan 9 na choka minus 4 2 is 8 8 5 is 40 equal to minus 31 a negative ta ni minus 31 na chok chu wangin cho a cho thelo cho lo me tur then you write down since b square minus 4ac is less than 0 there are no real roots. Okay, kan chot hin da tu chu ni now example 5 exercise 5.3 khalo en taila pani khalve ga cho sakleng cheo exercise 5.3 question number 4 to 8 kha en anga find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots tani two equal roots yom ja chu b square minus 4ac khan 0 to hey equal roots are chuan equal roots and the roots are really equal b square minus 4 is equal to 0 kan dekha so you write like this number 4 ka chok chino x square minus 3k minus 1 x plus 2k square plus 2k minus 11 equal to 0 tini k value is on tour real and equal to rin so you write like this for real and equal roots and so b square minus 4ac khan 0 to don so b to helai top hinta 3k minus 1 whole square b square minus 4 a is a to 1 mea c is very long 2k square plus 2k minus 11 equals 0 a minus b whole square point expananga direct 9k squared minus 2 3 is 6k plus 1 minus 4 2 is 8k squared minus 4 2 is 8 book 8k plus minus 2 minus plus 44 9k square like 8k square tang k square chuaka minus 6k minus 8k tang minus 14k plus 1 plus 44 plus 45. Okay, hey factorize it over formula kay mang thea emo I rules ka zon nia formula emo factorization mangin emo khan factorization kan mang menga da toy bo 45 puntira chuak abela 14 chuak so 9 le 5 animo 9 5 45 oh minus bebe k square minus 9k minus 5k okay k common k minus 9 heta hem factorization method ka mang tak na lo kha thila di theijo ka di formula quadratic formula jan chok thelo hi nei lo a chok thei vek ani factorization a chunin problem strength ka chok thei mi lo kina oh sorry, this should be negative, right? I mean minus. K minus 9 is common. Gives us k minus 9 equals 0, k minus 5 0, or k equal to 9. Both of these are correct. K if 9 animo 5 animo in he equation say tak x square he a roots ka lo real lo dinani chu the count 5.3 ka chok thale charanga chuan hei assignment ka page zo chu hian nakina quiz ka kan tile do na min la ron zo thalo rio me class 9 in tlu lo tlat class 9 chu min zo thape lut tu ga ni chu lo enton me khena ching rio me nakina exam huna khanin tor phang chu bagin thiano chen mi ron so thai do tu okay will be enough for the day.